Guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to cut the cord if you have Android Auto or Apple CarPlay enabled on your 2019 and newer Harley Davidson touring motorcycle with the Boom GTS system. And we'll get into it right after this. So that's right, guys, you can cut the cord if you have Android Auto or Apple CarPlay enabled on your Harley Davidson touring bike from 2019 to current, which is the Boom GTS, the new Boom system on the Harley Davidson touring motorcycles. And the way you can do that is actually with this adapter. This is the Ottocast A2Air. This actually then eliminates the need to actually wire your phone into the USB jack, allowing you essentially to put the phone anywhere, and it does that through Bluetooth connection. So what I'm going to do is show you what you get in this box, how you connect it into the bike, and all the functionality that you get with it. So here's what the box looks like. Again, it's the Ottocast A2Air. It comes in this nice box, and you obviously get the instruction manual, which is pretty straightforward. There's not a whole lot to it. And then you actually get the Ottocast A2Air adapter. And again, this one is specific for Android Auto. So this basically takes the place of the corded connection into your bike. Essentially, this is a Bluetooth adapter that connects to your phone. You plug in a lightning cord here that connects into the USB that's on your bike, and then you're ready to go. So that's pretty much what's in the box. So let me show you how this thing connects into the bike. So the first time you set this up, you'll actually pair the Bluetooth with the Ottocast A2Air. It'll come up with the name Auto C, in my case, Auto C76C. So after you do that initial pairing, it actually connects via Wi-Fi to my phone, and then is broadcasting this through Wi-Fi, which oftentimes Wi-Fi has a lot steadier signal. And then my Bluetooth is actually connected into the Boom GTS system. As you can see, connected for calls to the Boom GTS system on the bike. So that's how you connect it. Once you plug in the Ottocast into the USB port, it will pop up and show you the Android Auto. It first goes to Maps. You push the circle. It'll take you to all the apps that are available on Android Auto. And the other thing to mention too, you do have to have your Android Auto set up to wireless connection. That's important, so you do need that. So as you can see, all the apps I have here, I have Maps, my phone, settings, weather, text message, Amazon Music, which is what I use from a music source. I do believe you can also use Pandora. I don't have Pandora. And then I have a Discord shows up, and then customizations. And then I also have a news feed on that. So essentially it mimics a lot of and works just like the apps. You can see here, obviously the maps pull up very quick. Phone pulls up super quick, so that's the last few calls, my favorites. Let's go to music. That works. So the other thing, which is kind of cool on this, you can actually use your joysticks, if you will, that you control the Boom GTS system with. So using the right one and scrolling through, and you can see it highlights that, the app that I'm on. So let's go to Maps. So I've highlighted Maps with that one, and then I'm just gonna push in, and then that pulls up the map. So again, you can do this all by hand, and you don't even have to worry about touchscreen. And as you can see, it jumps, or it goes through the menu very quickly. There's not any latency that I can see. Super quick. This thing boots up quick. So overall, it looks like a great thing. The other nice thing is, again, as I mentioned at the onset, if I don't want to use this on the bike, I have my Silverado, which has Android Auto capability. I actually plug this into my truck, and it'll still be connected to my phone, and I can use it wirelessly in that. So the nice thing about this is I can switch from the Street Glide to the Road Glide to my Silverado. It's not married to any of those vehicles, so it can jump between any of them. That's a pretty cool little gadget. Again, this is the Ottocast A2Air, specific for Android Auto. They do have one for Apple CarPlay. Again, this is going to be for your 2019 and newer Harley touring bikes with the Boom GTS system, with Apple CarPlay or Android Auto enabled. Which typically means you have to have a WIM or one of the jumpers that there's lots of videos out there on. So it basically cuts that cord and allows you to connect into the bike wirelessly. Initially it's a Bluetooth connection into this, but then after that it actually runs on Wi-Fi. And this thing, as you saw, runs really quick. So if you're interested in this, I actually will have a link down in the description where you can purchase this. It is actually an affiliate link, so I do get a slight, very small commission to help support the channel. If you are interested, certainly consider using that link. I will also have a discount code down there for you to use as well. So that's gonna wrap it up on this Ottocast adapter, guys. Pretty cool little device. I'm looking forward to really using this. As you saw, super fast. If you like this type of content, please give this a thumbs up. Also share this with your friends. Please consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already done so. And with that, I'm gonna wrap it up here. Life is short, get out and ride the bike. Thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye now.